Greetings 90-second Newbery kids. You've graduated onto phase 2. I'm going to show you what you're going to do now that you're here. Okay, I'm going to flip the camera. You're going to see a paper. Okay, on your paper, you are going to get ready to collaborate as a 90-second Newbery team about the plot of your book. So for your book, you are going to make a plot. I call it a plot mountain. Oops, that's a bad marker. You're going to make a plot mountain. This is what it's going to look like. Your plot starts down here with some kind of a conflict or problem. So you'll write problem / conflict. That goes down here, and then in the box you'll write what the problem or conflict is. This is your rising action. These are the events that kind of lead up to the climax. So I'm going to draw in a few lines for my rising action. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want anywhere between 4 and 6 main rising action steps. They lead to something that is called the climax. So up here, we're going to have a box that we call climax. Of course, the climax is the high point of the story. It's actually up here, the highest point. It's right here, the highest point of the action. Then we have some following action, and finally, we have the resolution, or the solution. This box down here is for the solution, resolution. And there may be something that happens between the climax and the resolution, and that would be your falling action. That could be in here. You'll make yours with more care than I'm making mine. This is going to be something that your team will be working on, discussing, using your accountable talk, and filling in together. I'm going to show you what to do on the back side of it. And I have one already prepared. On the back side of your plot mountain, you're going to say point of view. Whose point of view? Who's telling the story? Is it in the first person using the word I, or is it in the third person using he or she? Is there a narrator? Whose point of view is it? That's important. What's the setting? That's the time and place that your novel takes place, primarily. Different scenes can have different settings, but this is your overall setting. What is the theme? What's the message or moral or lesson your book is trying to tell you? And what is the mood? Is it dark and ominous? Is it tense? Is it happy-go-lucky? What kind of drama is in there? What's the feeling or mood you get? Now, we talked about the rising action, but what are some key details from the book? What are some things that make this book unique? What are some interesting words? What are some features of the book that really set it apart? Those are your key details. And finally, who are the main characters in the book and what are they like? This will help you get your thoughts together as you get ready to make your whole book in 90 seconds. A 90-second Newbery movie. Okay, so congratulations on making it to phase 2. Go see Mrs. Staylock for some paper and supplies so that your group can get to work on this next phase of our learning. Yay for you!